Hi guys, welcome to our vlog, and we are Randolph Gitangan,
Josel R. Upancia,
and Eric P. Morales
from BTVTED 1180.
And we are here at Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center, Quezon City to explore animals and learn about the history of this place. Binuksan ang Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center noong July 5, 1954 or 70 years ago dito sa Diliman, Quezon City, Philippines. Meron silang reticulated python. Meron din silang iguana.
Chameleon.
At mga crocodile. Ito naman ang white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are not actually true eagle, which have feather legs. They are giant kites, a near related of eagles. The white-bellied sea eagles on display were confiscated, abandoned, and rescued. They are currently under the care of Ninoy Aquino Park and Wildlife Center.
At meron din sila ditong Philippine Eagle. Conservation status, endangered na to sa Pilipinas. Generally, the majestic Philippine Eagle on display was illegally captured in Tacalag, Bukidnon on October 1982 and later turned over to DNR. It was raised at the Philippine Eagle Center in Davao City as a breeder stock but eventually used as exhibit bird for public education in 2009. The bird was transferred to the Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center for public display and education.
Ito naman ang mapa ng wildlife at mahigit 4,000 ang different species o uri ng halaman at puno dito.
Key role of the Wildlife Rescue Center. The center is instrumental in conserving and managing wildlife resources. It serves as a repository and rehabilitation facility for confiscated, donated, and/or abandoned indigenous and exotic wildlife. The center's main objective is to release endemic and indigenous animals back to their natural habitat. Those unfit for release as well as exotic animals are put on display to promote public awareness, appreciation, and support for the conservation of the country's wildlife resources and habitats.
What's up, guys?
That's it for today's video.
Hope you enjoy.
And learn through our vlog.